It is Mo's birthday today, and I made a little birthday breakfast. We've got some waffles here. This is like a breakfast birthday cake, and some presents, some flowers, balloons. They say 32, but they're kind of mixed together now.
23.
He's 23, yeah. Happy birthday.
So sweet of you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. We currently have our kitchen light being installed, which is the noise that you guys can hear right now, and I'm so excited for it. It's a pendant light, so it's got 3 lights. But yeah, I'll show you guys what's happening right now in our kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen lights are now in, and it is actually the next day. It ended up taking a lot longer than I thought. They also did a few other things. They put in some electricity sockets here behind the island, which is super convenient because we just had one electricity socket right there. So now we have some within the island, which is very helpful. And for the lights, they had to run an extension cable from this kind of light socket to here so that these pendant lights fall exactly underneath our kitchen island, which they now do. So I am super happy with these. This is what they look like a little bit closer up. We did also get our bar stools, which I quickly mentioned in my last video, my what I ate today, but here is a little close-up of them. We got them in this light gray color so that it goes really well with our stone countertops, and we went for the velvet finish, but they do also exist in a leather finish, and they also have lots of different colors to choose from. You can even choose the color of the base. They have a few different options for that too. These are from a company called By Korea, and Mo actually found them on Instagram, and I ended up loving them. So we got 3 of them, and I think they just fit perfectly here in the space, and also with the light with those little black accents as well. And of course, when the curtains come in, I'm so excited. Just really loving how this space is coming together. I absolutely love being in here. This is my outfit of the day today. I am very comfy in this, I have to say. These pants are from Mango, and they are super nice because they're very like loose and flowy, and the fabric is really soft as well. I would highly recommend these. I do actually want to share a little haul probably in my next video, so stay tuned for that because I did get a few new things. And then the sweater is from Anine Bing. It is also very soft, very comfy, and I just tucked it into these pants, and then I'm probably going to wear some white sneakers with this too, and my gray coat. My jewelry is from Missoma. I actually got these 2 new necklaces. They are so pretty and very classic. I also got these new gold earrings as well. I will do a close-up so you guys can see them better. Missoma are actually having a huge sale for Black Friday, which by the time you guys see this, it's going to be live, and they're offering 25% off the entire collection. So every single item on their site is going to be 25% off, and it is the only time of the year where they have this sale. So it is the perfect time if you've been thinking about investing in any of these pieces, or you want to get some early Christmas gifts. Then now is the perfect time, and again, everything is going to be 25% off. And you guys probably know I love their jewelry so much. The designs are so beautiful and classic, and the quality and the durability is really great as well. Everything is 18 karat gold plated, so you can invest into these items, so you know they're going to last you a really long time, and they're not going to tarnish or turn different colors. This little gold padlock is one of my favorite pieces from them. I wear this so often, and it's so beautiful and very delicate and dainty. And then these 2 here are new. So this first one is called the flat snake chain necklace, and then the one underneath is the curved chain necklace. Another necklace I love from them and that I wear very often is this double layered necklace. It's very fine, and I love the chain design, and it is a 2-in-1, so it's already layered for you. And a really classic one, which I'm sure you guys have seen lots before on my channel. This is the Gold Interstellar Drop Choker. I love this one so much. It's got little diamonds here all around. This is also the 3rd year in a row where Missoma partners with Tree Sisters, where they plant 1 tree for every order placed on Black Friday, and this is to offset their carbon emissions, which I think is really great, and I love little initiatives like that. So again, I will make sure to have all of these items below in the description box, and now I'm going to head out. I have some little errands to run, but most exciting, I'm going to get some new Christmas decorations and some new ornaments for our tree. And unfortunately, all of the Christmas decorations and ornaments that we had last year and the year before that, they did not survive our cellar. We did not have the best cellar in our last apartment. Our Christmas tree made it because it was wrapped in a special like protective case, but the ornaments were just in boxes and they were completely infested. So I have to get some new ones today, and hopefully I will find some nice ones. I really love the ones that we had the last years, but hopefully I will find some good ones, and I will make sure to show you guys as well, and then we'll be decorating the tree. So I am back home and I found some really beautiful ornaments. I love gold and red. That is usually our theme for our Christmas tree. So I got some more simple ones in, again, gold and red, and then some really fun and cute, like kind of different types of ornaments. I thought these little gift ornaments were so cute, so I got 3 of those. I also love these little snow-covered acorns. So cute. And then lots of these beautiful gold, kind of like glittery, very festive. These ones are also so cute. They've got like little Christmas trees and gingerbread houses on them. So pretty. And then lots of these like gold kind of glass baubles that I think are going to be really pretty with the lights on the trees as well. And these snowflakes, so pretty. And then these like ice drops. They have gold on the top, and I thought these were so pretty as well. So I am so excited to get all of these on the tree, and this is our tree. It is from Balsam Hill. I got this 3 years ago now, and it's still so beautiful. And it is a pre-lit tree, so you don't have to put all the lights on. It just comes installed in the tree. It's amazing. And it's actually really easy to assemble this tree. It comes in 3 parts, so you just stack it together, and it's super simple. My mom also has one of these trees, and she loves it as well.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree.
So I've just made some chai tea, I've lit some candles, I'm gonna put on some Christmas music, and we're gonna get started. It's just not Christmas without Michael Bublé, especially when you're decorating the tree. So this is one of my favorite Christmas songs, and it's what I'm gonna be listening to as I decorate.
Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you.
Okay, Mo is gonna put some the last ornaments on the tree. Which one did you choose? That's nice. This is our star.
Shine bright like a diamond. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Beautiful.
But it has to be a little bit more like this.
What are your favorite ornaments on the tree?
This one. Because it looks
The
like
presents?
a present. And I would
It's a
like to
little
open
gift.
it.
Alright guys, so our tree is done. Looks so beautiful. I love all the ornaments and the lights. And this is of course our first Christmas here in our new apartment. So this just makes it look like so nice and cozy and homey. And we decided to put it here next to the kitchen in this little nook. So now when we are sitting on the couch, which is here, we can see it perfectly, and it's also kind of near the kitchen as well, which is really nice, and we can also see it from our dining table. We just finished up dinner and I'm gonna have some banana bread. This is the same recipe that I have on my channel, so if you guys want to know how I make it, I would highly recommend it. It is so delicious. I actually made this a few days ago for Mo's birthday and it is almost finished. This does not last long here. It is so good. I might even put some vanilla ice cream with this too. I've got some coconut vanilla ice cream.
Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know
I just got in my order from Zara Home and I got some new plates. I just went for these very simple white porcelain plates. I got 8 of those, and then I also got the matching side plates or like dessert plates. And I really love these bowls as well. I like the shape of them and the depth. They actually only had 2 of these left in stock, so I definitely want to get some more of these. I also got a few of these soup bowls, and then this really cute little colander for like berries or anything small that you just want to rinse. I think it is so cute. So yeah, I'm now going to take the labels off of all of these and then pop them in the dishwasher because they're pretty dirty from all the packaging. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. I will make sure to have them linked below in the description box. Got a little snack. I got a salad with shrimps and cucumbers, and Mo got a chicken salad, and then we are also going to share this apple pie. This looks so good.
Christmas time.
By the way, we just went to Kiefer. If you guys are ever in Munich, would highly recommend checking out this place. It's a really cute like grocery store, very German and very traditional.
I left her a little bit.
He ate the whole thing.
So that's a bit.
No, I wanted half. He eats so quickly. I don't have enough time to actually get to it.
It was so good. By the way, in front of us, there's the Angel of Peace. The Angel of Peace, and it's made out of gold. Can you see that? How beautiful it is.
Yeah, it's so pretty. And in the summertime here, this is obviously all green. So it looks so beautiful when you drive down here, and it kind of like goes around, and then you see this Angel of Peace there in the middle. It's so pretty. It is honestly the best feeling coming home and seeing this tree just makes the apartment look so cozy. And in case I forgot to mention, I got these simple baubles, the gold and red ones from Depot, and then all of the rest, like all of these more fun ones, are from Maison du Monde, and I would highly recommend both of those places if you guys are in Germany or in Europe. They make really nice ornaments, and we also got our star from Maison du Monde as well. I'm going to wrap up this vlog right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna chill out here on the couch. I'm gonna admire the tree and probably make some tea as well and just chill out here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.